In today's video, I'll walk you through the process of publishing our website on the internet using Vercel, offering clear guidance every step of the way. Join me as we explore the setup, deployment, and optimization of our site to ensure it reaches its full potential online, right after this brief introduction. Okay, we're back. So this is our simple website that I made during the time that I've been learning HTML and CSS. So this is the website we're going to publish it on Vercel. So what we're going to do is go to vercel.com. Then we're going to create an account to deploy our website on Vercel. So let's start signing up, and I'll be right back once I finish creating my own account in Vercel. Okay, we're back. We're done creating our account. Next, we're going to insert Vercel CLI. Before that, let's put our GitHub. Now, we're going to our terminal. Then what we're going to do is do npm -g and Vercel. Now it's installing. Let's wait for a moment until it's done building it's not building, it's installing our Vercel CLI into our project. As we dive into publishing for a straightforward website, remember to hit that subscribe button and enable notifications. Stay tuned for my latest programming and tech videos. Now let's get back to the content. Okay, since we're done installing the Vercel CLI, the next thing we're going to do, alright, let's press Y, setup and deploy. We made it Y. And then what we're going to do, which scope do you want to deploy to Logic Mastery projects? Yep, what's your project name? Project name will be my first website. That's our name. And in which directory is your code located? I'm going to copy this. This is where my code is located. I'll be right back, guys, once I found the project directory in my folder. Okay, we're back and looks really good. And let's enter this. I should just enter it because we're in the same project. No, this time. Okay, it's building and we got the link, but we're going to make the command called Vercel, and let's add this. Before that, let's go back to our code. Okay, since I cannot find my environment variables, we'll do that in the next video. So we're going to skip adding a Vercel environment variables, and our next task, we're going to our projects tab, and here it is. What I did is on my project tab and click the link of my first website, that vercel.app. This is our production. That's our production domain. So it looks good and we're done. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the Logic Mastery channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with new videos. Check out my other programming and tech videos too.